Welcome everybody. Thanks for gathering around the telescope again with me. We're going to go through this. I'm actually going to change this from weekly news roundup to the astral news for the week. This is for today, January 29th, 2026. And again, these will be broken up into video segments so they're shorter so I can post them on YouTube and TikTok and Facebook so people can view them a little shorter. First article, I got a link. If you go to Easy Astronomy on Patreon, you can click the link to the article so you can actually read the article for yourself if you don't want the synopsis. But tree rings and how they help us to understand solar storms that could be very disruptive to our modern technological society. Scientists have been using tree rings to determine the impact of solar storms on the Earth for some time now. They can use this information to determine what type of solar storm would impact our satellites, our power grids, our communication devices, our cell phones, all those types of things. Basically, when a large solar storm hits the Earth, it creates a radioactive form of carbon that these trees absorb and store in their wood. However, recent studies shows that different trees with different types of wood store and use this material differently. Thus, we can get a little bit of discrepancy on actual time. In the study, these authors show that different trees absorb and use this carbon differently based on their growth patterns, time of year, and the climate in which they exist in. All these impact how the trees use the carbon it receives from these events, and these events are called Miyake events. Think of a Miyake event like an extreme version of a Carrington event, but on steroids. They serve as a precise time marker because if an archaeologist or a scientist finds the same isotopic spike in the wood from an archaeological site, they can tie that site to an exact year, far more precise than normal radiocarbon dating. So thus scientists use the carbon found in trees. Using the carbon found in trees, they've had a hard time really nailing down when these events occur because of the variance of trees and wood involved, their location, and like I said, their climate, where they're located in terms of is it a rainforest, is it a coniferous forest, deciduous forest, all those type of things. By ensuring that we know how each species of tree stores this carbon and then later uses it, it helps us to nail down more precisely when these Miyake events happen and have occurred in the past. That matters to us because if, or better yet, when the sun releases such an event in the future, our technological reliant society will be impacted by this event, and it could cause major disruptions in our way of life if we're unprepared for it. So that's the importance of this paper and the study that's going on to it, how it connects with the sun and solar storms. So I hope you found that interesting. Thanks for gathering with me. Catch you next time. Hope you have clear skies.